Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cookie Style. Today we're gonna prepare some spaghetti pomodoro with some tomatoes from my garden. So these are organic tomatoes. This is just sensational. We're gonna just remove this middle part of it because it's a little bit hard, so we don't need it. Of course, pre-washed tomato, of course. And the cherry one, we are just gonna slide them through the middle, just like you see, just like that. That's our target, yeah. And so I start preheating the oil. This is the rest of oil and the water from confit tomato I prepare. So that's why you see it's a lot, but it's water with oil, a little bit mixed. So we're gonna put the lid on and just let it cook. After it cooked with a small clip, we're gonna remove the peel of the tomato, so it's kind of peeling it. You can do it of course before, but for the cherry tomatoes it's a little bit harder, so it's easier like if we mash it like a mashed potato. Will be easy with a clip to remove the rest of the peel of the tomato. Yeah, it's just as easy as you see it like that. We're gonna prepare like a rustical passata. Yeah, just very it's not that small, that mashed, but it's just like this is the final touch. This is, yeah, we'll remove this with a small clip, the rest, and this is the sauce. This is the consistency we're looking for, yeah. And just like that, we're gonna add a little bit of tomato paste, yeah, and that's it. On the other pan I got one pork steak, and I got also a hot water for this spaghetti I brought from Italy. Yeah, nice one. So once you cook the pasta, now we go back to our pan with our tomato sauce, and we're gonna add the pasta on it. Don't forget to add a little bit salt and pepper to the sauce if you did not, because I didn't. Because I forgot, but I did afterwards. And now we are just gonna mix our tomato with our spaghetti. That's all our spaghetti get the sauce on it, just like you see. Yeah, just wow, very saucy. We don't want a dry spaghetti. This is a little bit of peel here, so we're gonna just remove it because we want our passata with the tomatoes just as magnificent. So we are here. This is our target. You see, very saucy. Now we got a plate. We're gonna just plate a little bit of spaghetti there, and just on the side our steak, and we're gonna top it with some Parmesan cheese. Just very easy recipe, but sensational flavor, and better if the tomatoes are from your garden. Yeah, so this extra flavor, extra effort there. It's just sensational. Now we're gonna add a little bit of sauce. We're gonna pour it with on top, like saucy one. Yeah, we don't need a dry pasta. This is our steak. This is a pork steak I just did on the pan, very easy. And our tomato sauce, you see. Now some Parmesan cheese on top, and that's it. So everyone, I hope you like it, and if you do, leave your like behind the video. If you have any comment, please use the comment box, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much and enjoy the journey. Take care.